Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to create mind-blowing designs in Photoshop and Illustrator. Today we're going to talk about revolutionizing design with AI, and I'm super excited to share with you how this technology can unleash your creativity in Photoshop and Illustrator. From automating repetitive tasks to generating new ideas, AI is changing the game for designers, and I'm here to show you how. Designers, we've all been there, stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with new ideas, and feeling the pressure of tight deadlines. It's frustrating, and it can be overwhelming. You might find yourself wasting hours trying to think of something original, only to end up with a design that looks like everything else out there. And to make matters worse, you've got clients breathing down your neck, wanting you to deliver high-quality designs faster and faster. It's a never-ending cycle, and it can be exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and unlock your full creative potential? What if you could tap into the power of artificial intelligence to generate new ideas, streamline your workflow, and produce designs that truly stand out? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. AI is here to help, and it's already changing the way we design. One of the biggest challenges designers face is staying inspired. We've all experienced those moments where we're just blank, and our minds are as dry as the Sahara Desert. But with AI, you can tap into a wealth of inspiration, from generating random shapes and patterns to suggesting color palettes and typography. It's like having a personal design assistant working alongside you to generate new ideas and fuel your creativity. Explore specific AI tools and features in Photoshop and Illustrator that assist in design, showcasing examples of how they can boost creativity and efficiency. One of the most exciting developments in AI design is the rise of neural networks. These powerful algorithms can analyze millions of designs, learning patterns and trends that can inform your own creative decisions. For example, Adobe Fresco's live brushes use AI to mimic the texture and movement of real-world brushes, giving your designs a truly organic feel. And in Illustrator, the AI-powered Puppet tool lets you create complex animations with ease, adding a whole new level of sophistication to your designs. But it's not just about the tools themselves. It's about how they can free you up to focus on the creative aspects of design. With AI handling the repetitive tasks, you can dedicate more time to experimenting, iterating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the results are stunning. From generating intricate patterns and textures to suggesting new composition ideas, AI is opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. For instance, have you ever struggled to create realistic textures and patterns? AI can do it in seconds, freeing you up to focus on the overall aesthetic of your design. And when it comes to illustration, AI-powered tools can help you create stunning, hand-drawn style artwork with ease. It's like having a team of skilled designers working alongside you, 24/7. Let me present a compelling case study that showcases the transformative power of AI in design. Take, for instance, the Chicago-based design firm Firebelly. They were tasked with creating a series of posters for a high-profile event, and they turned to AI to help them generate some truly groundbreaking designs. Using Adobe Fresco's AI-powered brushes, they were able to create intricate, hand-drawn style illustrations that wowed the client and captured the attention of the design community. And the best part? They did it in a fraction of the time it would have taken using traditional design methods. The results were stunning. Vibrant, dynamic posters that seemed to leap off the page. And oh, the client was thrilled. But what really impressed me was the way the designers at Firebelly used AI to augment their own creative skills, rather than replace them. They were able to focus on the high-level creative decisions, while AI handled the grunt work, and the outcome was truly greater than the sum of its parts. So, there you have it. AI is revolutionizing design, and it's time to get on board. From automating repetitive tasks to generating new ideas, AI is opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. By embracing these tools, you can unlock your full potential as a designer, stay ahead of the curve, and produce designs that truly stand out. And don't forget to comment below with your own experiences using AI in design. What tools are you using, and how are they changing your workflow? And if you want to learn more about the latest creative tools and trends, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the world of 3D design and animation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.